Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, I am Freedom Messi. Okay, first of all, I'm so sorry I couldn't vlog my birthday vlog. I recorded a whole bunch of clips, but I forgot to record more, so it won't show up on my YouTube channel. But we are going to Agra today. For a day. We're gonna come back on Sunday, so I'm gonna vlog that for you guys. So yeah, I'm so excited for today because I haven't seen Taj Mahal in like 25 years. Like, what I'm even doing, like. But yeah, we gonna see. I'm gonna vlog it for you guys. So let's get ready. Hi guys, so we stopped here for breakfast. Sorry I couldn't vlog because I was in rush to like just get the cab because our cab driver came too early. And yeah, we didn't had anything, we just drink coconut water and had the bananas we got. And yeah, so I think I can't have breakfast in the morning, like it's just 9 in the morning. I don't want to have anything. So yeah, let's go. This day will be excited for sure. We finally reached here in the hotel. We are staying in this Courtyard by Marriott. And let's see. I think it's gonna be a good day. Hopefully the weather is nice. But our check-in is at 3 p.m. so we're gonna just wait, and I don't know if they're gonna let us check in early, so let's see. Finally, hotel let us check in early, and it's a very good hotel though. And yeah, now I'm relaxing. We'll go in the pool and chill for a bit. Then we head out to see Taj Mahal. I'm just placing this camera here somewhere. Please stick. Stick? Okay. So we are back from the pool. I took shower and I did my skincare, and now we're gonna get ready to go out and have lunch. So let's get ready. Concealer. I know this is not the. So how foolish I am. I just forgot my concealer, and it's this lightest shade I have with me right now, and I have to like apply this one only because I don't have anything else to apply. But I think it's going well. It's not that too bright, no? We're gonna do something. I literally forgot my 2 concealer and I'm regretting it so badly. I never forget, like I was just keeping that in my like vanity room and I couldn't remember to keep it in my bag. So I am like, kill myself. Blusher. We are not doing so much makeup because it's already too hot here. And I don't want to sweat outside too much, so I'm gonna just apply a base and some blusher, just that. Slim bit bigger. I like this. It looks nice. I'm so hungry. We haven't eaten anything since morning. But we reached very early here. We are so surprised, like how can we reach too early? But yeah, it is what it is. I have to just settle this up. Else I'll look like a bandar. I love this. I love this mascara so much. It's from Huda Beauty. It's so one of the best mascara I own. This brown liner. I love this liner so much. It's so good. See? I like how my eyebrows look. I put gel on my hair because it was too like messier. So I was like just gel it up. I am all ready. This is how my kurta are looking. Then there will be a fit. The sandals, I don't know if you can see my sandals. Bangles, boots. Let's go. Hi guys, so we just had our lunch. It was so good. We came here in Pinch of Spice. It was very nearby, but I did a mistake. I went somewhere else and the cab driver was like, ma'am, there is no restaurant called Pinch of Spice. And I was like, what? And then I found out that it was very nearby to my place, my hotel. I can just walk, and then we have to pay double to our cab driver. And yeah, now we're gonna go to some Tom and stuff, then we can see, and we're gonna head to Taj Mahal, and I'm so excited. My hair is not hairing. We just finished seeing Agra Fort. Now we're gonna head to Taj Mahal, and it was a huge fort, to be honest. And this looks so beautiful. The lighting is so beautiful. My face is a mess. I'm so tired. You have to walk all the time, but this looks so beautiful. Worth coming here. We are finally in Taj Mahal. Oh, I don't know why our India is very complicated. So my guy have a book, and this police guy was like, you cannot take this book. I mean, why? Like, India have so many problems here all the time, and just that's the question. Hi guys, so we are back in the room, and it was such a tiring, beautiful day. All the thing was so beautiful. Taj Mahal was so beautiful, I cannot lie. But there is like a person who got beaten up very badly in the gate. I felt so bad. Oh no. But yeah, it's keep happening. It's India, as I see problems, and they just don't like to adjust or compromise. They just keep fighting about it, like for no reason. So I changed to my cute clothes. You see, cutie potatoes. Ding ding. And Now we're gonna have dinner, and we are so tired. We're gonna sleep early. We're gonna just chill in our room. We don't want to go out because we are so tired. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the morning tomorrow. Okay, bye. Hi guys, good morning. So we are here for the breakfast. I slept so well because we slept so early, and hi guys, so we are again in the pool. We have to check out in some time, so we are just enjoying our pool, and I forgot to bring 2 bikinis, so I just have one. So I am wearing that again like yesterday, and it's too crowded because I think it's weekend and it's too crowded here. Yeah, so I was saying that I feel very awkward in front of a lot of people. I cannot go in pool. Firstly, I don't know how to swim. My boyfriend was teaching me last time how to swim. I cannot. I have this phobia that I will just drown, and I don't know, like I feel very scared while I can just be around the pool. I cannot swim. Just comment down below and let me know if you cannot swim also, but you love to go in the beach or inside the pool and just stay there, like just chill. I am the same person, and I feel like I need to swim. Like I have to learn, like, because if I will go a lot of beaches, I cannot swim. It doesn't make any sense. I will learn this year for sure. And yeah, we're gonna check out at 1 p.m. and then we'll head out to sightseeing some of Agra's forts or museums. I don't know if there is any museum, but let's see what's the plan. And yeah, we had a very good breakfast. I enjoyed my breakfast today very much. And then we just gonna see a lot of stuff, and then we gonna head back to Delhi. That's the plan. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye. Hi guys, so we checked out now. We are just waiting for our cab to come. We were in so much rush, so I couldn't vlog. I'm so sorry, but I am all ready to explore Agra one more day. Like, we're gonna leave I think in the evening for Delhi, and we just kept our luggage here. We're gonna go to some restaurant. It's 40 minutes away from here, and then we're gonna have some lunch there, and then we're gonna explore some more places. I'm gonna take you along, guys, and the lighting is so amazing here. Like, I am loving my outfit now. I'm just wearing the bracelets, the earrings. Looks so good. Okay, so I will see you when I'm in the cab. Cool? Bye bye. Hi guys, so we just came to this place called the Nambadars. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's in Agra. If you guys want, whenever you guys come here, visit this place. I think it's pretty good because we are reading this guidebook of Rajasthan and all of the states, and the guidebook is very good. This book is so good, so my boyfriend is reading all the time for the guide, and this book has many recommendations to, like, where to go, what to do. So for Udaipur also it was very helpful, for Agra also it was very helpful. And yesterday we went to that Pinch of Spice. It was very yummy. We tried that butter chicken and what else? Chicken Manchurian. Hi guys, so we came to this place called Tomb of Akbar. We just gonna hang out here. Looks very nice, very sunny, very hot, and we're gonna explore it now here. We had a lot of good food. Oh my god, that restaurant was so good. You guys should try it too if you ever come to Agra. It's very nice. Not many people was there, but the food was 10 on 10 for sure. And yeah, we're gonna just explore this place for a bit, and we'll see if we wanna go and explore some more, and then we can head out to Delhi. Yeah. Hi guys, so we are back in the hotel for our luggage. We kept our luggage with the hotel in the hotel lobby. We gave him, and then now we are collecting our luggage. Then we booked our cab for Delhi. It's coming in like 5 minutes. So I'll show you. I got petha. I don't know if it is. I got very cute package though. See, I got this petha for like, it's half kg for like 240 rupees, and this person, I know he's looting me, okay, I knew it that he's saying a lot of money, but I said okay, let's, you know, my cab driver was waiting, so I just don't want to like keep him waiting, so I just paid 240 rupees. Then I asked my cab driver that how much it should be. He said like half kg is just for rupees 100. Can you even imagine? I am Indian. I am not a white person. I'm not foreigner. Why the fuck you are charging me this much? Like, wow, why? It's crazy when you are tourist and when you go somewhere, they just keep looting you, and it's so bad, you know. You see, I'm Indian. Why are you doing this to me? 240 rupees and half kg. Okay, never mind, let it be. So now we're gonna head back to Delhi. I can't wait to go home and just sleep. Like, we had a very good day. We were reading books in the tomb. There was empty place. There was so peaceful. And then now I will just see you guys in the cab. Okay, bye. Hi guys, so finally we are back home. As you guys can see, I am in my nightwear. So yeah, it was so tiring. I was just sleeping all the time, and now we ordered some food, some healthy food. We are done with junk food now. Our trip is over, and now we're gonna sleep soon. So I'm just ending this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm sorry I couldn't talk much in this vlog because I was around my boyfriend and I feel very awkward talking, but next time I will try for sure. So okay, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, love you guys.